Slug Boys! Ah, yay!
Cunt just got fucking one dig. So did I. No way. Oh, that cunt had a weird angle
What the
on the
fuck?
bomb there. He just got you, I know.
That was on his head, man.
That was the same guy that tapped me in the head and tapped that other cunt in the head, just got you the same way.
I swear my crosshair was on top of that cunt's
He
head.
just got another cunt in the head with it.
Hey Marvin, can you do the diffuser, bro, please?
My fucking ears. Cunt in the game chat. Oh my god. How do I fucking get rid of that? Oh my god, that was so bass boosted. Fucking eardrums, man. I'm gonna start bleeding in a minute. What the fuck?
Can't even hear him.
I just heard something crash. And then like, I don't know what the fucking arsehole said.
Couldn't try to activate you like a sleeper agent to kill us. Who just shot me? I think your fucking teammate just fucking shot me, man. Ying. Actual fuck, man, the cunt shot me twice. And now I've died and this cunt's done. What's that all about?
I'm going in, fuck it. What up, dude? Oh, fuck. Jaeger.
Oh, the cunt didn't go Valkyrie, somebody else went Valkyrie. Oh, look who's left, the fucking team killer.
Well, did he actually shoot you in the back of the head?
He shot me and then ran away and then came back and shot me again and ran away again. And then I tried to shoot him back, but the game somehow killed me for it. With the fucking anti-team kill thing, even though the cunt was shooting me!
Hey Marvin, you're so bad, bro. So that's what the cunt typed?
What did I do? I'm just existing, man.
I don't know what the fuck you did wrong. By the way, Rapid is wall hacking. Why is this guy so fucking salty?
I can't even see the chat. I think it's because Xbox doesn't get chat and what.
See if he shoots you in the back of the head, I'll fucking shoot him and all.
I tried to fight back and the game called me the team killer for some reason. Maybe a guy called Marvin pumped his maw or something, I don't know.
It was actually you all along. You just didn't know. See if he shoots you, I'm gonna fucking... He's pointing his gun at you.
Get a state You got done by the team kill again for some... Right.
Right, so this guy's just going about fucking doing what? Watch him get fucking wall hacked. What's he doing? He's got hacks.
Mongo's not getting any headphones on or something.
Right, who's I'll go Rook. Because Rook is important. And so's Doc.
Destroy their armor before he gets one. Just don't place it, fuck it.
You know what? You know what? I'm gonna no place it. Guy laughed in Spanish, by the way.
Fuck.
Yeah. That's what he typed.
I shouldn't. That's that Rapid guy again. Ah, he's hacking, I think. He just broke the wall and automatically locked on my head and killed me.
Oh, what?
Aye, look at that! It's a headshot right away, watch that back. Another headshot at him.
No, that's ridiculous.
Yeah, I couldn't fucking reported, man. I've already done it. Nothing but headshots, one taps after cunt, that's...
A fucking Philly guy, man.
Cunt was just in a bad mood and I was his fucking victim, man. What's that
I
do?
know.
First PC game of the night. Toxic bastard and teammate and a hacker in the enemy team. Brilliant. I love PC gaming, so I do. They swung in.
Aye. Right here. Ah, there you go. There you go.
Good shit, man. Good call-outs, man. I'm pure thinking about that cunt I was in the jail with in armour. The Victor's ass guy.
Aye. Fucking shout him in the head, man.
Shut his fucking head, man. What a psychopath, man. What's a Russian name begins with Mikhail? Or something like that.
I don't know.
The Suka Mikhail brothers, I don't know.
Nicholas.
Nicholas doesn't even begin with an M.
M? Alright, M. Alright.
Nicholas.
Look at you wiggling.
Whoa, Lebanese or Scrooge.
He's fucking
Doesn't
tearing
fucking
all of them
matter.
up.
It's John Wick or something, got in our team.
Oh! He's coming through here. Come on, go into my bombs. Run into my bombs. Run into the
15
Capcan.
seconds.
Oh.
I was waiting on him doing it as well.
I never actually seen a Capcan trap of mine actually go off, so I...
And the special forces.
Special force.
Let's go here. Let's blow this up first.
The gun.
Done some damage to a cunt. D4.
Oh, come on. He's right there. Did you get him?
No.
Oh, fuck. Another one in the doorway.
Done more damage to him. Fuck me. I'm getting bloody surrounded.
Can panic. Oh, yes. Perfect. Fuck me.
Numpty! What a dick, man. Why did you just walk into it? That's it. Xbox MVP. Get up, you bastards.
Went for Leon Richie.
Oh, 911. Oh, 911.
Oh, what a feeling when we're dancing on the ceiling.
That music video's so daft. They're all just fucking like upside down or whatever. I know what you've done there. You flipped the body camera around.
Fucking, that's me watching Spider-Man. It's calling out the wall, you bloody fucking flipped it.
Can he trick me, Samurai me? He's on the body ground, you flip the body camera. Should be a soul singer.
Semi-automatic.
Semi-automatic.
Customers.
Customize my semi-automatic. So I can gun down my wife. Just cheated on me with a man called Smokey. Down in the bayou. I don't know.
Where you going with a gun in your hand? I'm gonna go down and shoot my old lady, cause I caught her messing around with another man.
Oh! Write that down.
Fuck, that's Jimi Hendrix.
Is it?
Aye.
Copy him anyway. Yahoo, baby! I'm here for the war. Bastard.
What?
What is it good for?
Absolutely nothing. Hey, look at here, yo.
Yeah, but where yous are?
Ah, right there.
Are we getting took out by fucking Sam Fisher? What's going on? One by one, cunts are walking into that room and I just hear... Yous are dead.
It's fucking fused with a pistol. There he is. Yeah.
I buffed myself then, man. Fuck's sake, you think I was on a mouse, man?
Aye. Oh, fuck. Right. I almost got blown up by a fucking drone.
He's blowing up the wee fucking healing stations, man. What the?
Oh, right here, right here, right here, right here. Oh, Sam Fisher, man.
They actually did bring him this time.
It's Mr. Worldwide.
No.
What up, boy? Oh, there's two of them down the fucking hallway. There's a Monty and all. The fuck? He was emoting as well.
How did I miss that knife?
Okay, there. It's nice knowing you.
Don't be scared.
You should be. Bum.
She's got took up to the ceiling by Batman. No time to play hide and seek, man. What's that going on? Right, we got one.
The fuck? Right. Halo Reach last stand at the end of the fucking campaign, man. I don't know if that's gonna work a second time, but we'll see. We'll never know.
Have you got a hard breach now?
Aye.
Then we'll just charge it if it works.
It worked.
Charge! There's a guy right there.
There's a guy right there and all. Oh, fuck you. Hey, what's up, dude?
No! There's a dog behind.
Oh, fuck. Right. There's one out here. It's where Blackbeard was. Oh, come on, man.
Nope.
I took the fucking headshot.
Brilliant.
Sorry, bro.
Oh, stop with the bass boosting mic shit, man. This guy was like bass boosting in his microphone again. So sorry about that, sorry about that.